Hello and welcome everyone. If you haven't seen this channel before, I'm rebuilding my old car. Yes, I found my old car from the 90s and I bought it back, and now I try to fix everything on it. This front bumper is made of fiberglass. It's a part of the Cosworth Illusion kit, and I had to make some serious repair on it. You can watch everything over here. I'll leave a link to it. Earlier I painted everything that are grey on this car, and we also painted the hood and the front fenders. I have done all the painting here in my garage with spray cans. Everything went very well, but I have some defects on the hood we're going to take care of in this episode. Just a couple of bolts left on the front bumper, and then we're going to take care of the hood. I maybe will regret this, but I will do another clear coat on the hood. So we will sand down the clear coat with first 600, then 800, maybe go to 1200, we will see. But I can't sand down through the clear down to the base coat, because then we are screwed and have to begin from the beginning again. So I will mask up the area so I don't scratch up any other surface. Then we start to sand this and see how it goes. Let's see if I will regret this, but here we go. Now we go for 1200, the last part. I will move you bort to here. So I have cleaned up inside here, and I will cover the car with the plastic again, clean the hood a last time, and then we're ready to paint again. So let's do that. It's still wet on the floor here. That's good. So So now the car is covered. I went out of material, so it's looks like that. It's not the nicest, but it's covered, so we don't get paint on the car more than the HUD. So it looks like this, and it should work. So I really hope this is good enough. I haven't done something like this before, so I hope this will do nice. I can see some color difference, and maybe we will see them through the clear, but I hope it will not do that. Let's do this, the final coat on the hood or on the whole car, and let's see how it goes. This first layer I lay out here, it's pretty thin. I just want to cover the area without getting too much on there. I got drops on a couple of spots here. A problem I got earlier, and it gets worse and worse. I got drips from this. Fuck. Didn't see that. Now it's gone. The paint layers is building up on the brush can handle, and that is causing all the drips. So now I clean everything, and I hope we can cover the drips. I lay one other thin layer, 90 degrees to the first one, just to cover everything in a smooth surface. The paint has dried for a while and is sticky. And now we will lay on the second layer, or the third in this case. This third layer I lay really thick, incredible thick. It's hard to go slow enough to get all the paint on there. I always go too fast, but I have to go slow to get enough paint on there. And you can lay on a lot of it when the bottom layer is sticky. The hood has dried up. I have some defects over here I'm not proud of. Look like silicone eyes. I don't know why they appear there. And now we're going to tackle this part here where the clear coat has gone away. I took the tape off and the clear coat went with the tape. So we're gonna tackle it with new clear coat. Maybe I try to get some color on it first. I haven't decided that, but it needs clear coat. Or to get clear coat on there without destroying the hood, we have to cover up the hood, and I have bought more of this cover material. So let's do that first. Earlier I have taken a pencil and get some red paint on the spot where I got through the base layer. Now I'm just going to decide if I'm going to spray paint the whole area. No, I think we only get the clear coat on this thing. I have removed all the protection on the car and even on the floor around here. It's in a big pile over there. I will continue with mounting the front bumper and the lights. The car is really dirty. On this spot we did a lack repair. We have to wet sand that one. And we did the same over here. Have done a spot repair. It's the clear coat on these two spots that have failed. So this will be wet sanded after the car is finished and washed off, because it's really dirty right now. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.